Most people think acetaminophen is the safest painkiller on the shelf. No prescription, no panic, just grab it and go. But here's the part most people never hear. According to data analyzed by the National Library of Medicine, acetaminophen-related overdoses are linked to around 56,000 emergency room visits, 26,000 hospitalizations, and over 450 deaths every year in the United States. And about 100 of those deaths are unintentional. So how can a medicine this common cause that much harm? The answer isn't that acetaminophen is dangerous by default. The real problem is how people unknowingly use it the wrong way. Today, we're breaking down 4 common mistakes people make with acetaminophen in daily life, mistakes that can quietly damage the liver. Mistake number 1. Taking acetaminophen with alcohol. Let's talk about something most people avoid bringing up: alcohol. Acetaminophen is one of the most widely used medicines for pain and fever in the United States. When taken correctly, it's generally safe for most people. But alcohol changes the risk. Combining acetaminophen with alcohol increases the chance of serious liver injury, even when doses stay within the amount listed on the label. For people who drink regularly, liver damage can happen at lower doses than expected. Alcohol can also mask early warning signs of liver injury, which means symptoms may not appear until significant damage has already occurred. Mistake number 2, taking multiple products without realizing it. You might think you're just taking a pain reliever. But what if you're actually double or triple dosing acetaminophen without knowing it? Here's what the FDA repeatedly warns about. Acetaminophen isn't only in Tylenol. It's also found in many cold medicines, flu products, pain relievers, and nighttime formulas. So what happens? You take a pain pill earlier in the day. Later, you grab a cold or flu medicine. Both contain acetaminophen. That's how people accidentally exceed the safe limit without ever intending to. The FDA specifically warns not to take more than one acetaminophen-containing product at the same time, because combining them can push you past the recommended daily dose. And this isn't fear-mongering. Too much acetaminophen can cause severe liver injury, liver failure, or even death. The NIH also notes that many people get into trouble not from abuse, but from accidental overuse, especially when they think they're switching medicines, but are actually stacking the same ingredient again and again. So ask yourself this: do you know what's inside every medicine you take, even when it just treats a cold? Mistake number 3, exceeding the daily dose just a little. Because acetaminophen is sold over the counter, many people assume it's harmless. But exceeding the daily limit, even slightly and even unintentionally, can still injure the liver. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, adults should not take more than 4,000 milligrams of acetaminophen in 24 hours, from all sources combined. That number adds up faster than most people realize, especially when multiple products contain the same drug. Medical experts also note that repeated daily use around 3,000 milligrams may increase liver stress in some people, particularly frequent users or those with other risk factors. According to the NIH Liver Tox database, acetaminophen is safe at recommended doses, but it has direct liver toxic potential when used improperly. This is why acetaminophen toxicity remains one of the leading causes of acute liver failure in the United States. Mistake number 4, assuming OTC means harmless. Because acetaminophen is over-the-counter, many people assume it's automatically safe. But medically speaking, it's one of the most common causes of preventable drug-related liver injury in the U.S. The problem isn't a single pill. The real danger is overlapping OTC use. Pain relievers, cold medicines, flu products, nighttime formulas. Patients often take more than one in a single day without realizing they contain the same active ingredient. The liver doesn't give early warning signs. Damage can happen silently, especially with repeated use or when alcohol is involved. Always read the active ingredient list, avoid combining acetaminophen products, and treat OTC medicines with the same respect you'd give a prescription drug. Because over-the-counter does not mean over the risk. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always follow the guidance of your doctor or pharmacist. If you want more clear, no-nonsense explanations about how common medicines really work, Follow for more.